So we do projects with a research-based element, so that can be around secondary research or more usually with some primary research element. The primary research ranges from surveys. We do big surveys, say of 500 enterprises, small in-depth interviews, so it could be 20 interviews with operators or 20 interviews with enterprises. The results from that primary research can then feed into our clients' thinking about new opportunities, into market sizing and forecasting, or even into their marketing materials. So recently we did a project for Amdocs. Amdocs wanted to understand what operators were thinking about Wi-Fi networks, what their plans were. So we interviewed 31 operators about their plans, what they already deployed, what were they thinking of deploying it, and why they were thinking, whether they thought it was new revenue opportunities or for cost reasons. That we then put into a white paper, so they're using it to as part of their marketing, but also in terms of their thinking and how they position themselves to help operators. So that's one project we've done. Another one we've done recently is an M2M project. So for the client, we've interviewed 20 odd companies who've got end user organisations who are using M2M, asking them about how they're using M2M, the costs involved in M2M, and how they select their supplier. So the results of that are being used in a cost model that we're producing for the client, but also it's helping them with some of their strategic thinking and how to approach the M2M opportunity. A third example is with BT. We did a survey of 500 enterprises asking them about their current usage of Ethernet, of fibre products, what they were planning to use in future, what the drivers were for future bandwidth demand, and again about how they selected their suppliers. So that was used as part of a market forecast for the future Ethernet market in the UK. There's a range of different deliverables, so we can run workshops for our clients. It can be used as a report. So what we've done has been use a report, part of a submission to a regulator. We've done work that has been fed into things like white papers. We've also done webinars for clients as well. So some of the key topics that we've been working on recently, so M2M is one of the big areas. We've done a bunch of different projects in the last year, working for operators, looking about how sales channels work for M2M, for vendors, as a more general about the device connectivity platform for M2M, and also for another operator about international opportunities within M2M. So lots of M2M work. We've done quite a lot of work on OTT, split into OTT communications. So what's happening with the likes of WhatsApp and Viber, what are different operators doing to respond to that, what are the best response strategies, so the communications element, but also from the video element, the same sort of questions but about over-the-top video, Netflix, how does that relate to pay TV, what are the best strategies of operators to counter that.